In this video, I'm going to share with you what happened on day one of my Octopus Cosy 6 heat pump install. The Octopus team turned up about 8:10 on the first day. There were a couple of vans initially, but I think the most we had parked outside was probably 4 on any particular day. The first thing that happened was that the installation lead walked me around the house to talk about the installation, where the heat pump was going to be sited, where the run of pipes was going up to go into the loft space. We also looked at the condensation runoff from the heat pump, and that was going to be going down a drain that we've got already in place. The electrician then joined us to talk about the cable run and how it was going to go from a new junction box from the electricity meter, and that they were going to run underneath the back door into the car barn and through the fence to the heat pump behind. We had already moved furniture to create space around the radiators that were going to be changed, but the Octopus team did offer to help move furniture when needed, and they did move some desks out of the way, which was really kind of them. One of the first things the team did was to put down some covering on the floor to protect it from where they were going to be walking and working, and it was quite extensive under each radiator and in the main footways they were going to be walking, and also up the stairwell. The delivery of equipment didn't come until approximately 10 o'clock, but that didn't stop them making a start on draining down the tank, getting ready to remove it. So they had piping in place coming all the way down the stairwell and just out the front door to drain in our front garden. Then at 10 o'clock there was the delivery of all the equipment, nicely packaged so that it was undamaged. The electrician was then able to make a start on getting the junction box in place and feeding the cabling through, getting it all ready. Then round the back they got a large slab cemented in place, ready to receive the heat pump. Now this footage is from later in the day once the heat pump was installed. And amazingly, they'd managed to get the old water tank out by now. And by 12:30 they'd managed to get the heat pump in place and a lot of the piping already connected. It was running from behind the heat pump and up the wall, with some of the trunking casing already in place. Luckily we had lots of space on the driveway for them to be able to spread out and work, and it just made life easier for them. Next up it was draining of the radiator system and removal of the 6 radiators that were being upgraded. For most of the radiators it was a simple swap to a larger size, but in the ensuite we were having a towel rail fitted, and that needed a little more work. As well as the ensuite and a spare bedroom, we were having them changed in my office, Mrs G3's office, and a hallway and a dining room. The top of the towel rail was missing a couple of caps, but they popped to B&Q and got them no problem. They'd also worked hard on getting the new water tank in and a lot of the piping connected. They'd really made some great progress during the opening day. They did a grand job of working tidily, they cleaned up after themselves, and at the end of each day they made sure everything was packed away, out of our way, no problem whatsoever. So that was the end of day 1. Day 2's video will be coming soon.